clutch in the bull-nose truck, I'm heading for the boat. Well, I never say goodbye to the woman this time, but I left for a note. Well, I'm up 3 steps in heaven, well, on the highway to hell, and I know it'll be a while before I say goodbye, 'cause I know you're looking well. It was just my luck to be given the truck with a naked of a load, and Vespas and a hammer, an adjustable spanner, and a roaring V8 stove. The tachograph was turning black as I passed the London eye, with one eye on the road and the other on the phone, took a selfie passing by. Hauling chains and cranes on roads and lanes, and slurrying money by the ton, blowing their horn loud and through the towns, and starting to run their run. Hauling wood and grub on the stubble dry tub as the road was rubbing the flaps. Well, there was a good laugh to a brook a half shaft and busted the gearbox. 50 ton plus and 40 foot behind, 24/7 on the 0 and 9, and baby, I'm coming back to you. Slip the clutch in the bull-nose truck, I'm heading for the boat. Well, I never say goodbye to the woman this time, but I left for a note. Well, I'm up 3 steps in heaven, well, on the highway to hell, and I know it'll be a while before I say goodbye, 'cause I know you're looking well. Slap some grace on the 5th wheel base, and legs and pipes and lights. Go on the Delphi in Dublin City like New York City at night. Hauling for the council with airbags bouncing, the tipping ramp still up. Had to tip the load while still on the go, 'cause I hadn't got time to stop. Hauling mail and grain of boats and trains, and oil and fags and drink, and driving like hell instead of self-propel, and hoping she don't sink. If your luck runs out, come home on the bounce and get Superhampton boots. Buy a loaf and a V8 coat and 20 laps